Hello my dear students and welcome back again. Today I am going to start class 8th English grammar textbook chapter 11 and that is the correct use of a conjunction. My dear student, first of all, what is conjunction? A conjunction are used to join words or a parts of a sentence. We shall study here the use of some important conjunctions like if, that, when, scarcely, both, and, or, until, rather, but also no sooner, as, after, hardly, not only, so long as, till, while, unless, no other, as long as, least, since, before, either, neither, or nor, and so on. Now here is the exercise 11.1. question number first is tick the correct sentence in each sentence. First one is catch me if you can, and this one is correct, so we tick the correct mark. Second, I do it so that I like it, this is wrong, and the correct one is I do it because I like it. We use because it give a reason to like something. Third, wait here until I return, this one is correct. Fourth, water oil will not mix, this one is wrong, and the correct one is water and oil will not mix. We use and because it connect and it join the two sentence. Fifth, strike until the iron is hot, strike while the iron is hot. 6. If you do not try, you can't learn. This one is correct. Next one is we neither took a tanga nor a taxi. And the correct one is we took neither a tanga nor a taxi. And this one is a right. My dear student, the rest of the questions you have to do yourself and do these questions in your book. Now we have question number second. Choose the correct word to complete each set. First one is he will not come dash it rains, and the correct one is if. We choose if because it refers the condition needs to be met, something to the happen, so we choose if. Second, take care dash you should fall, and the answer is list. Third, I run fast dash I miss the train, and the correct answer is but, because we use but as a conjunction because it suggests a contrast. Next, Kareem is tall dash Abdul is taller, and the answer is but. Fifth, make haste dash you will be late, and the answer is or. My dear student, we use or because it suggests one possibility can be realized. He is dash a teacher nor a doctor, and the correct answer is neither. We use neither as a conjunction for the negations, so we use neither. Next one is take a lamp dash the night is dark, and the correct conjunction we use as because it is a noun to refer to a rule or purpose a persons or a thing, so we use as. 8. The purse has been lost dash stolen, and the correct answer is or because it also refers the possibility of one thing which can be realized. Next one is he was punished dash he was guilty, and the correct conjunction we choose because it give a reason. 10. Live well dash that you may die well, and the correct conjunction we use so. My dear student, the rest of the questions you have to do yourself and do these questions in your notebook. Now question number third, fill in the blanks with suitable conjunction. We have the blank and we can fill a suitable conjunction according to the sentence. First one is this my book dash yours, and the correct conjunction is our because it refers the possibility. Second, she writes slowly dash neatly, and the correct conjunction we use but. Third, you can come dash you please, and the answer is when because it refers a time and it also indicates the temporal conjunction. Fourth, dash there is a life, there is a hope, and the answer is why. Fifth, we shall fail dash we work hard, and the correct answer is unless. Sixth, if dash you fail, what will you do? Seventh, please tell me if with you can come. Eighth, I invited her but she didn't come. 9. He worked hard lest he should fail. 10. I believe you as you are my friend. 11. He ran away when he saw the police. 12. He has eaten a lot, still he is hungry. 13. I would have a cold drink or coffee. 14. Neither she nor her brothers knows me. 15. She watched TV while I was having dinner. 16. How can he buy it if he has no money. 17. He all know that shine and sorrow go together. 18. It is so simple that even a child can understand it. 19. No sooner did the last bell ring than the boys run for their homes. My dear student, do this question in your book. Now, question number 4 of this exercise, rewrite each sentence correctly. First one is, not only is she wise but also beautiful, and the correct answer is, she is not only wise but also beautiful. Second, I run fast because I could catch the train. I ran fast so that I could catch the train. Third, he asked me that what I was doing there. He asked me what I was doing there. Fourth, he did not tell me as to why he was late. He did not tell me why he was late. Fifth, although I warned her, but she didn't care. Although I warned her, yet she didn't care. Sixth, not only he was robbed, but also wounded. He was not only robbed, but also wounded. 7. Until you are with you need not worry. And the correct sentence is, as long as you are with us, you need not worry. 8. Unless you do not work hard, you will fail. Unless you work hard, you will fail. 9. Unless you do not help me, I can't succeed. Unless you help me, I can't succeed. Walk fast, you should not miss the train. Walk fast, lest you should miss the train. 11. Neither my father or my mother was at home. Neither my father nor my mother was at home. 12. Until it rains, we should stay inside the house. As long as it rains, we should stay inside the house. He started early because he might not be late. He started early so that he might not be late. 14. We shall reach the school before the bell will ring. We shall reach the school before the bell rings. We use before because it refers the time as a temporal conjunction. 15. Supposing if the rain starts, what will you do? If the rain starts, what will you do? And at last we add the question mark. 16. He asked her that when she would come back. He asked her when she would come back. 17. He is working very hard lest he should not fail. He is working very hard lest he should fail. Next one is, hardly had we stepped out that it began to rain. Hardly had we stepped out when it began to rain. My dear student, the rest of the questions you have to do yourself and do these questions in your notebook. My dear students, now we have question number 5. Use the following as a conjunction in sentence of your own. Now, here is the some conjunction like list, hardly, and you can make the sentence according to the given conjunction. First one is list. In list, we have make a sentence like we work hard, lest we should fail. Next one is until. My dear students, we use until as a conjunction like up to the time, and until is mostly used in the initial position. So the sentence is, until you pay your fees, you can't sit in the class. Next one is while. My dear students, the sentence we can use as the while is, and the sentence of while is, she watched TV while I was having a dinner. Next one is when. He ran away when he saw the police. Unless we shall fail unless we work hard. Next one is hardly. So the sentence is which we made according to the conjunction of hardly is, the movie had hardly started when the lights went off. My dear students, I give the sentence according to the conjunction and you have make your own sentence according to the conjunctions. My dear students, do these questions yourself and you have to do these questions in your notebook. And that's all about this chapter. I hope you all understand very well the use of conjunctions. Till that, keep practice of English grammar. Thank you so much.